Hey, so these prop firms are giving away huge discounts in December. All right, so let's check it out. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So, Nova Funding is one of them. Kortana is another. Next Step Funding is a third that is giving away really good discounts in December. All right. So I'll start first with the lowest discount, which is Nova Funding. Nova Funding 5% discount. All right. And the discount code is right there. Is HFT5 to get 5% off the challenge prices. All right, so Nova Funding is really good, and I have verified that they do pay out. I've gotten multiple payouts from them. So in terms of the prop firms that I like, Nova is literally number one. All right, followed next by Kortana. Simply because I know that these two prop firms, there is no issues with payouts. And I've been able to get payouts from them. All right, so these are the challenge prices that they have. You can take a look at it here, but you can take 5% off these prices when you use the discount code HFT5. And I'm not quite sure how long that discount is going to be available for. So if you're interested in getting a prop firm challenge at Nova Funding, best to jump on it right away. All right, so let's go into the next one. So Kortana is, actually, you know what? Before I go to Kortana, let me go to Next Step Funded, because I want to go from lowest discount to highest discount. So let's go to Next Step Funding. So Next Step Funding, they release a special HFT limited one-step challenge, but honestly, for me, I wouldn't do that particular one. Just do a regular standard two-step challenge with Next Step, because you can get a 17% discount on that, and it ends up being cheaper than their special HFT limited one-step challenges. All right, so yeah, I forgot to mention I can pass these challenges for you as well. All right, so once you pick up a challenge, just message me on Telegram if you want to get it passed, and I can pass it for you. All right, so the discount code with Next Step Funding is 1 year. That's what the code is. All right, it's called 1 year. All right, so you get a 17% discount, with that particular code. So let me just go ahead and click on the website here so I can show you that as well. So Next Step, again, don't go with the HFT limited, because like 100K account is just, it's too pricey here for the one-step challenge. So what I would recommend, go with two-step challenges, because those are HFT enabled as well. So you can see it here. You have see HFT is allowed right here, right? It's not allowed on the funded account. So once I pass it for you and you have a funded account, you can't use the you can't use HFT on the funded account, just for the challenges, guys. All right, because I get that question a lot. All right, so 100K account is 500, so take 17% off of that. Works out to be, let's see, 503 times 17%. Yeah, you get about $85 off. All right, you get about $85 off. So roughly about $417 will be your total in payment for a 100K challenge. And then 200K challenge, same thing. You have 17% off of that. All right, so that's another good one, guys. Next Step Funded, because you get 17% off, and that's a really nice discount. All right, so the third one here is Kortana. So with Kortana, you get 30% off. So this is the biggest discount, right? You get 30% off. The link is in the description, guys. You can use my link and this code called Crypto30 to get 30% off. And it's really cool, up to 100% profit share after 3 payouts. So that's really nice. 7-day withdrawals after 3 payouts as well. You become like what is called like a VIP, where you can get withdrawals every 7 days. So that's really cool. So let me just scroll down to the prices here. So 100K account here is $575, but of course 30% off of that. So let's do the math on that one real quick. So 575 times 0.30. Yeah, that's about $172 off, guys, which is really, really nice. So off 575, you end up paying about 402, which is solid, man. That's a really, really big discount. Again, I'm not quite sure how long this discount is going to be around for. So, you know, jump on this. Like, don't wait. Don't wait, and then reach out to me and I can pass it for you so you can get a funded account, and you know, you can start trading to then earn money, profit split off that funded account. So guys, don't wait. You know, December is here with goodies, nice discounts and everything. So, you know, if you're sitting on the fence, you're like, oh, you know, this is actually the best time to get a funded account, right? Because you get all these very, very cool discounts. All right, so that's my time for today, guys. God bless you. Happy Sunday. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. All right, until next time. Talk soon. Bye.